Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna discuss how to fix Snapchat not sending snaps. For example, if you click a snap and you want to send to any of your contacts and you select a contact and you want to send snap and it shows failed to send snap, then I will tell you how you can solve that. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, you have to close down Snapchat and you have to check whether your internet connection is working properly or not, which means you have to check whether your Wi-Fi is connected or not. If it is connected, you can restart it so that it can work properly. Moreover, you can also check for data connection. If you are connected to data connection, you can select flight mode and turn it on and off so that your internet connection can be restarted. After that, what you have to do next is you have to click on settings. In settings, you have to scroll down and you have to check for application manager or apps. In apps, you have to scroll down and you have to click on Snapchat. In Snapchat, what you have to check is in Snapchat you have to check whether you have allowed background data usage or not. If it is turned on, then it is okay, and it is turned off, then you have to turn it on again so that it can work properly. Or you can also click on storage and you have to clear the cache of your Snapchat. After clearing the cache, the next step is as you have to check whether the problem has solved or not. If the problem is still there, you can uninstall your Snapchat and reinstall an updated version of the Snapchat from the Play Store, and this will fix the error. Hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe our channel.